A cinematic layout starts feeling immersive the moment depth begins working naturally in the background. Today, how to explore immersive layered compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one wide rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for dramatic focus. Duplicate the frame several times, enlarging each layer slightly while lowering opacity to create smooth dimensional depth behind the subject. Add one smaller overlapping frame for contrast and storytelling. Select the background and apply a dark muted gradient to enhance atmosphere naturally. Add subtle blur overlays and soft shadows to increase realism.